Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial building inspection, an old warehouse office space way down in, well, actually in the city here in the Midwest. This building is well over 100 some years old. I just love these old buildings, but what I want to share with you, a couple of things. I want to share these massive wooden beams. Of course, that's a dead giveaway for having any kind of issues with steel, because you don't have any steel. They didn't use steel that base back then very often. But look at that. But see how the cracking is happening? That's normal. That is not going to hurt anything. That's structural, non-structural issues. So don't worry about that. But if you ever do, you can always put a steel mending plate over top of that to fix it up. But you do see how you could kind of pan in here. See, because my roof's been leaking, you see I've actually got some mold happening here. But you can just look at this floor. I mean, it's leaking like a sieve in here. You can see water all over the floor. But nevertheless, that's not uncommon for an old roof. But I just really wanted to share with them old beams. Isn't that just cool? I mean, them are massive, and they're all Douglas fir. Now, that's what this part of the country used, was a lot of Douglas fir. Because of the resilience of that, water retardant until it entirely dries out, and lasts a long time, and very popular in them days. But look at that, ain't that cool? Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, folks. Hope it's been educational, and please hit like and subscribe, share with your friends, and the more that we can actually have you folks help us, the more it actually gets put out there and more people can learn from it. And we just kind of share the knowledge, right? Thanks, folks. God bless you. We appreciate you.